Thanks to a Japanese doctor, she discovered this, and now has no wrinkles. The face is one of the most delicate parts of the whole body and the most affected by the passage of years. The older we are, the more we begin to notice the wrinkles and spots on the face. In order to combat these ills, many women resort to expensive and ineffective surgeries and procedures. However, we have natural remedies that are much cheaper and offer us better results. In this video we will talk about 2 face masks that will finish the wrinkles and stains of your face in a short time. 1. Mask of ibuprofen and orange. We all know that ibuprofen works great for aesthetics. Such a compound has the ability to penetrate the pores of the skin and eliminate dead cells. On the other hand, it is rich in anti-inflammatories that decrease the swelling and redness caused by acne. Also, orange juice is rich in vitamin C and fruit acids. By combining it with ibuprofen we can achieve amazing results. Ingredients: ibuprofen 3 capsules, orange juice 3 tablespoons. Instructions: first we must crush the ibuprofen capsules very well. Then we put the dust in a bowl and mix with the orange juice. When we get a soft paste, apply it on the face and let it act for 10 minutes. Finally, we rinse our face with abundant clean water. 2. Mask of ibuprofen, yogurt and honey. Yogurt is considered a great source of potassium, protein and calcium. That is why it is very good for the treatment of ills related to the face. In addition, it contains very few calories and has many minerals and vitamins essential for health. Ingredients: ibuprofen 5 capsules, yogurt 1 tablespoon, honey 1/2 tablespoon. Instructions: initially we must crush the ibuprofen to undo them very well and remain free of lumps. Now, in a bowl mix all ingredients until a smooth paste. Afterwards, we will put on our face a cloth moistened with warm water to open the pores. Afterwards, we dry the face and apply the mask, allowing it to act for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse the face with warm water. I ask